Oh, this is living, you guys. Yeah, I see what you mean about the hot tub out here. Brad's vision
Get the wet tub.
has been manifested.
After 12 years, it's never felt so good.
This is the pinnacle of hot tub technology, I would think.
Yeah. In 2009, it was a half year. Actually, this was the model that came out in July. Almost like cars.
Okay, let's see you run in the snowbank now.
Okay, here we go.
Right?
I might pass out. Have 911 ready.
Okay.
Here we go. I have to like pause here because I'm getting a little dizzy.
Oh dear.
Great. I'm going to have his heart attack on film.
On film.
Oh!
Oh, it's really... All right, Lisa,
You sure you want to do that?
No!
come on.
Okay, I think I'm ready to go.
Oh.
Keep an eye on me. I'm in 911.
Okay, ready?
Emergency alert.
Yeah.
Come and Tyson! Woo! Yeah!
Oh, they're all going.
Don't miss out.
I'm not coming with you!
Merry Christmas. Okay, that's enough.
Gonna go in the hot tub.
Stop filming.
Gonna go in the hot tub. Gonna get the wet tub.
Oh man, it feels like sparks going off.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Now,
I'm so glad I didn't come.
where are the sticks to beat me with when I do that?
Yeah, that's what the fins do, I
The
think.
switches?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
All right.
Oh, now I'm all tingly.
Here, throw a snowball at me, Grace.
I'm all tingly.
Right in the lens.